Alright guys, in today's Canva tutorial, I'm going to be talking about working with frames in Canva. Frames are something that you can use. It's under the Elements tab. What you want to do is actually type in frames and you'll find a whole bunch of different shape sizes and things like that. In this case, I'm using a computer to mock up a screen. Now you can pull an image from Canva, obviously, or you can use one that you upload yourself. What you want to do is have your image out and then click and drag and it'll snap into the frame. Now, I haven't mentioned this in any other videos, but you can actually right click this and go down to detach image if you decide that you don't want that particular image in the frame, which is cool. And this is probably what you want to know. So in this case, I just kind of snapped a photo of a skater here. But when you try to rotate the screen, it's not going to work as you think. It'll happen like this, and this probably isn't what you want. To get around this, you just have to rotate the photo first and then snap it into the frame. This is rotated because I wanted to have it at this orientation. And if it crops your photo weird, double click into the frame and then just drag it down or however you want it. Another thing I wanted to talk about is if you create a graphic in Canva, like this one I made earlier, and you decide you want that graphic in a frame, it will not work. You need to first save out the graphic as a photo, like this here, and then drag it into the frame. And it will work when you do that. I'm going to Control Z this. In order to get this to fit properly in here, it's the same principle as before. I need to rotate my photo to a, -90, and then drag it in. And it works fine that way. So if you have anything else you want to know about Canva, please let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!